Bing, bong, bing. Oh, 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 oh. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on. Oh, 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 oh. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Looking for love? Left on the shelf. Feeling like Billy No Dates? Well, we are your last chance to enhance your romance. We provide a discreet and sensitive service for all your dating needs. Our system is scientifically proven to help you find your perfect love match. So everybody, get your raffle tickets at the ready. Ready, ready, ready. Come on, ladies, move back. Get ready. So excited.
Once I loved and I was a gas. Do-we-do, ba-do-ba-do, soon turned out had a heart of glass. Do-we-do, seemed like the real thing, only to find much of mistrust, love's gone behind. Once I had love and it was divine, ba-dum-dip, ba-dum-dee-da. Soon turned out I was losing my mind. Do-we-do, do-we-do, seemed like the real thing, but I was so blind. Much of mistrust, love's gone behind. Bum, 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 bum. In between, what I find is pleasing and I'm feeling fine. Love is so confusing, there's no peace of mind. If I fear I'm losing you, it's just no good. You teasing me like you do. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Once I loved and I was a guess. Soon turned out that he had a heart of glass. Seemed like the real thing, only to find much of mistrust, love's gone behind. Lost inside adorable illusion and I cannot hide. I'm the one using, please don't push me aside. We could have made a cruising, yeah. Da-do-da, ba-dum-dee-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. You're riding high on life's true bluish light.
Bing, bong, bing. Right, get your raffle tickets at the ready. Let's see who we have then. Let's see. I'm looking for Mint 37. Ooh, and Mint number 19. Mint number 38. And Pink number 12. Please make your way to the holding area immediately. This way! That's it.
That's it, who's that?
Have a look at your raffle tickets. Do you want to read those numbers again? Mint number 19,
mint number 38, mint number 37, and mint pink number 12.
Come on, people, we haven't got all day.
That's it, don't be shy, give them a clap. Come on. Yes, lovely. We need a third man. Look at these lovely singletons. Oh, great. Are they all there?
One more man, please.
One more man. Oh, we seem to have a last-minute cancellation at Last Chance Romance. Oh, imagine that. Okay, so I'm looking for mint number 20. No?
Where are you?
Oh, there he is.
Come on,
lovely. Thank you. Right, are we ready? Ready. Candy, can you bring in the first clients, please?
Yes, Miss Lovejoy. Peachy, send them through.
Yes, Miss Hart. First 3 men, please. First 3 men, would you like to come forward and go over to Miss Lovejoy at the end?
Give them a round.
And you can come to Miss Hart. Yeah.
Could you stand?
And would you like to?
Stand right here.
Yes.
Please,
Oh, yes.
That's
And
it.
cheers.
Show everyone see your lovely face.
Oh, come and stand here for me. Thank you. Is this your first time dating? And what's your name? Carol. And how old are you, Carol? 35. Shall we say 29? We'll say 29. It's a bit better, isn't it? And I can't believe you're single, Carol.
So, can you tell me about your hobbies, please? He likes to cook. How exciting. And describe yourself in 3 words for me. Go. We'll put slow.
You finished, Candy? Yes?
Yes, darling.
So, recently single, living with mum, no pets, ex-drinker, occasional smoker, and all your own teeth. Good. Oh, and do you have a big car? Oh, 1x4. Good, okay. Now it's time for vital statistics.
Vital statistics.
Okay, right, just go and stand in front, please. And stand outwards, just
to
the people
face
in
the
lovely
camera.
face.
Get a little bit further,
Face
my lovely.
a bit more
Thank you.
forward. Yes, right on the edge.
Lovely.
Thank you. Oh, lovely. Let's go. And chest. Inside leg. Head. Leg. And neck.
Buttocks.
And foot.
Good.
Good.
Now stay there.
Stay.
You wait there. And you.
Now, can you touch your toes holding a baby? Can you touch your toes whilst holding the baby?
Yes. Okay. Thank you. And do a big lunge for me.
Ooh.
That was good.
And cough. Oh.
Now, all 3 of you, can you start walking in that direction? So
That's it.
that's it.
Keep
Go
going.
down. That's it.
Now
Keep
to
going.
your left.
Little
Keep
faster.
going left.
Keep
Get a bit of a
going
jog
to the left.
Off you
That's
go.
it. Round the
Yes.
chest.
Keep
Go on,
going.
go,
Go
go,
faster.
go.
To the exit. Faster. 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 Bit faster. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm ready for the next client now, Candy.
Yes, Miss Lovejoy. Peachy, send in the dregs.
Yes, Miss Hart.
Mavis!
How are you? You coming up? Oh, come with me.
It's so lovely to see you again.
Oh, it is.
Oh, back so soon. Well, I'm sure we'll find you somebody, dear. Step into my office. Yes, take a seat. Don't be shy.
I've got so many people on my books. I took
We've got lots of lovely people.
I'm sure we'll find you a date somewhere, dear. Yes. We'll just show the database. Here we go.
Driving cats, I meet them every day. I know what's
Sadly, we're going to have to go on a field trip. Okay?
This one? This one's lovely.
Love me like you're supposed to. Love me like you're supposed to. Love me like you're supposed to. Two times around telling me that I'm the one. Let me tell you, be I'm in the fooling on. I guess true. I want to be your wife. I'm looking for a man with whom to spend the rest of my life. Who don't smoke and don't drink and don't fool with no woman. What are you going to do? Absolutely useless. Who don't smoke and don't drink and don't fool with no woman.
Absolutely nothing.
Who don't smoke and don't drink and don't fool with no woman.
I don't quite know how to put this to you, Mavis, but they're just completely incompatible.
Says it right there.
Yeah, it does. Right there.
Last chance. The last chance, that's true. For the last thing we played was the last one we ain't crying if you want. It doesn't matter what you do.
What a chocolate! I'm a
Oh, the last thing we played was the last
Get your shoes on.
for you.
Look professional! You saw it!
My heart couldn't take more. All you do is why did you not treat me right? If you think that you want to roam, tell her your last chance. Take no more.
So sad. I got my shoe on and pencil on the floor. I'm so ruined. What am I going to do with it? I'm so sad.
Right, anyway.
Anyway,
Let's
let's
anyway.
move on. It's fine. So, oh, what do we have here? Mint number 30 and pink 14. Right. 30 and 14, please.
30 and 14. 30 and 14. 30 mint and 14 pink. Anybody?
Peachy,
14?
I think you'll find it's 30 mint
Oh, sorry.
and 14 pink. Any takers?
30
Have we
mint.
scared everyone off? I think we have. Do we have any willing single volunteers? I think there's a gentleman over there in the navy blue.
That
Have you
one.
come, sir?
Oh, that
Give
one.
on. Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Come on.
And let's find another
We need
lovely
a
lady for this
yeah.
man. Oh, what about the blonde there? Oh, she's looking away from me. She's really scared. Okay,
What
not
about
that
that
one.
in the yes.
Which one?
That one with the
Where? Which lady?
back. She's got her hair in a ponytail.
Yes. Where's the lady with the high ponytail?
Oh,
Yes. Come on.
yes.
No. They look like a lot exciting. Come on. Where is they? Come on. They're coming. They're coming. Coming. No. Bing bong bang!
There ain't nothing in this world for the boy and the girl but love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. There ain't nothing in this world for the boy and the girl but love, love, love. And that's the only thing I'm thinking of. Love can make you happy when you feel it. If the one you love is in love with you. There ain't nothing in this world for a boy and a girl but love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. There ain't nothing in this world for a boy and a girl but love, love, love. And that's the only thing I'm thinking of. Love can pick you up when you feel low down. Love can make you smile when you're wearing a frown. I want it, I need it, fill my cup with love, love, love.
You know really well.
Love, love, love.
Yes.
Love, love, love. Let me drink till my head goes round and round. Love, love, love. So come and be my turn.
Wait, the baby's coming, the baby's coming! Hey, yeah! Oh.
Wow.
So lovely. Yes. Oh, congratulations. So beautiful. Play the last track, please. Yes, that'd be lovely. Play the last track now. It'll be lovely.
Oh, it's so lovely.
Could you? Very lovely. Oh, congratulations.